Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I'm going to share you another new great DeFi project, SafeBSC.com. As you know, guys, there are many scam projects that go into the market and they scam very fast without giving our investment return. But SuperSafe BSC is a great site. SuperSafe will be the next insurance provider for the DeFi space. To protect the security and safety of DeFi investors is their priority. So yeah, when you go down here you can check Hello Diamond Hands. We present you the SuperSafe, a project that is secure the DeFi space against drug pulls and bring the insurance industry to this ecosystem. An insurance platform will be the keystone for investors to purchase the insurance packages which will fit their needs and make investing DeFi a lot safer for them. We want to offer a solution to this problem through a decentralized insurance platform which offers insurance packages and give investors the security and safety they need to fearlessly navigate the DeFi space. SuperSafe intends to offer insurance solutions to this problem through a decentralized insurance platform which offers insurance packages, shield the investors of potential schemes, and gives the security and safety it needs. So you can check all this here, and here you can check how it works. First, acquire SSF tokens. In order to super save your investment, you simply need to purchase a SSF tokens from the future available exchanges. Ensure it will become effective after 5 days when SSF tokens are placed into your wallet. In order to process the insurance claim, we will require you to sign the request with your wallet. Second step, you have to submit your request here. Third payment, you have to receive your payment in SSF tokens. You will receive the payment here. Next, you can check the tokenomics of the site. Token distribution: pre-sale is 10%, scale 20%, reserve is 20%, liquidity is 5%, which is locked for 6 months. Customers initiatives 15% locked for 3 months. Partners and advisors 10% locked for 12 months. Team 20% locked for 3 months. There will be a total supply of 21 million SSF tokens. 21 million of these will be allocated to pre-sale in the early days of the project, which another 42 million earned market from the sale. You can check customer initiatives exist in the form of 3.1 million tokens as well as 1.5 million aside to ensure liquidity, 4.2 million in reserves. You can check all this immediately. The following sales, the circulating supply will be 6.3 million tokens for the purpose of tokens of sales. The market cap evolution after these will be $7,35,000. However, only market can determine the prices from there. The roadmap: with the help of from our team, contributors and investors are their milestone we are looking to achieve. You can check the roadmap of this site: smart contract development and this pre-sale, sale, listing expansions, and all this you can check here. You can check H2 Super Safe DApp release version 2 VSC, new insurance packages, partners with industry, and multi-chain for multi-chain it is. You can check the light paper of Super Safe. Here you can check simply first page of this site. Here second page you will check. Here the second page you will get here, and when you go to this, it is like this. You will get here, and here will the third page, and here is the fourth page of your site tokenomics, and here the fifth page. You can check the Super Safe roadmap here, and here join the Super Safe community. You can join their Twitter account. Here you can join their Telegram. Here you can check the Super Safe BS, the links of their site. Okay, so when you go down, rug pulls are a type of unique decentralized finance exchange. DEX vulnerability to the smart contract is abused and token value drops to zero. The vulnerability means the token contract can be only bought but never sold. You can see it here. If you can check social medias of their account here. Question if you have, you can ask this. Here you can check the Telegram, and copyright 2021 received by belongs to SuperSafe BSC. Now I will show you the smart contract of this site. Here you can check the smart contract, and here is 21 million supply of SSF tokens. Here are holder 6 address and contract. You can check here, and